Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the new Matte and Metal Melted Shadows by Huda Beauty. So it came in this package right here. Look at this. It has like this little case that they came in. I love Huda Beauty's packaging. They always just have such creative ideas. And I love that they always come in these cute little cases. These are just perfect for carry-ons. But these are the eyeshadow sticks up close. So obviously on one side it's matte and the other it's metal. So before we get started, these are $25, which actually isn't bad for this. I think that's good. It's pretty much like two eyeshadows, but they look like they last a long time. They have been available online since January 17th, but they'll be available in stores on the 25th, which will probably be by the time I get this video edited. All right guys, so these are them swatched. Okay, so looking at the swatches, I feel like this top guy, like I said, these are just tones that I would normally wear on a daily basis, so I kind of want to do something that's more in my comfort zone. But let's see, so they have instructions on here of how to use each one. So it says for the matte, apply 3 dots of the formula to the center of the eyelid, immediately blend with your finger or brush, focusing on the edges. All right. And then there are separate instructions for the metal, but I don't want to get overwhelmed, so let me just do one thing at a time. So I'm going in with Cinnamon Toast, which is the matte side of this guy here. So it is this top shade up top. It's a really pretty, almost like brick red. Okay, so it said do the 3 dots, 2, 3. Which doesn't feel like a lot of pigment, so it makes me a little nervous. Oh, it actually blended out really well. Alright, so this is how it looks with the 3 dots blended out. I think it looks pretty good. I do want to go in with a little bit more just so that I can kind of go into my crease a little bit. 3. And then it says blend it out immediately because I'm sure that this just dries down really quickly. Kind of went up a little bit further than I was hoping to go. Wow, I'm actually really impressed with this. I feel like that looks like a really nice smoky eye. I was so nervous because I feel like liquid eyeshadows, I tried like back in like high school and it was like a really cheap brand. I think it was like a drugstore brand that I tried, but they were so creasy and I've never gone back to using a liquid eyeshadow at all because I just think of that. I think of creasing automatically, or I just think of it drying too fast and getting all like crunchy and flaky. But this looks really nice, guys. I'm shocked. Alright, let's do the other eye. Oh no. So I definitely didn't follow the instructions there and put more because I want to blend it up. So I might have just fucked everything up. We're testing out the rules, so I'm doing this for you guys. Yeah, so I definitely overdid it with the sides there. I wonder if I can take my like contour shade and just buff this out a little bit. Make it look a little bit more natural. Maybe it's not that bad. That's fine. Guys, what the hell? I'm actually really shocked. This looks great. So since I did put a lot of drops on this eye just needs a little bit more coverage on the lid. So I just put like 2 small drops on there and I'm blending it out. Alright, that looks nice. I was scared that it was gonna start flaking up if I went over with a double layer, but no, it looks pretty good. I love how well these blended out. Now for the difficult part, I want to go underneath my eyes too because that's what I typically do. So I typically bring it in about a little bit more than halfway and then I gradiate it a little bit towards the inner corner so it's not like super harsh. 1, 2, 3. So it definitely helps when you flex your eyelid when you go like this, so that your eyelid's a little stiffer. Give them like the stink eye. That blended out really nicely as well. I think if you use a pencil brush, it'll probably blend out a little bit smoother on the bottom lash line, but I don't have a clean one right now. All right, so that is the matte side finished. Now for the true test, we need to go in with the metallic side. Or the metal side rather. So this is in Hella Honey. So let me read the instructions first. So for the metal side, it says that you can also use it as a shimmer effect, which would be more of like a metallic eyelid look. So for that, it says to do the same thing that we did for the matte side, which is just apply 3 dots and then blend it out, either with a brush or your finger. It says that you can also use it over top of an eyeshadow. If you have an eyeshadow that you really like and just want to add a metallic flare to it, you could do that. And it says to tap with your finger to diffuse the glitters. Or it says you can use it as a metallic cut crease. So you would apply the product using a brush applicator along the crease and all over the lid and let it dry. So we're not gonna do any crazy cut creases, so I'm gonna do the center option. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid just to give myself a metallic lid. I think that'll be cute. Or should we just do the inner corner? Let's see. So it said 3 dots, right? 1, 2, 3. Those are more like swipes, not dots, but I'm going in with my pinky finger and just tapping it in. Wow, that's really nice. I hope you guys can see that on camera here. The sparkles on here are really, really nice. It's not too much, it's just a really nice shimmer effect. I'm gonna try just putting a little bit more on. Seeing how that looks. Oh yeah, I really like that. So this is the eye with the metal on top of the matte, and this is just the matte side. What do you guys like more? I like the metal on there. I think it adds a little bit of dimension. And I like that they chose colors that really correspond together, so I think they did a really good job. I think next I would want to try these guys down here. It's more like a brownie taupe with a gold glitter. I'll definitely have to make another video using that one because that looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm so impressed with this. I know that I keep saying it, but I'm just shocked. Maybe just because I really expected to hate them because of my preconceived notions. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and throw on some lashes real quick, and then I'll give my final review. Even though you guys already know. Alright guys, so this is liner and lashes done. I was thinking that the more time that I had it on my eyes, maybe it would start creasing, but everything looks really good. I'm actually, okay, I am shocked that this actually didn't take that much time. I was assuming that it was gonna take me more time than a typical eyeshadow look. I thought it was gonna be creasy or it could be flaky. I thought it could be super drying, but if that happens to you guys or you have really dry eyelids just in general, I would suggest to put a little bit of oil on there. If you have like argan oil or like a CBD oil, any kind of oil really, just like the tiniest dab, maybe about 20 minutes to half an hour before you apply these. That way it's seeping into your skin and it should keep your eyelids moisturized throughout the day. Give it a shot. I don't have really dry eyelids and I haven't used this consistently enough to know whether it would dry mine out over time. That's something that I could try. I mean, I could try this for like a whole week and see what my opinions are over time. That would be kind of a cool video. But I'm actually just really shocked in general at how much I like these. And like I said, these are $25. That's not bad at all for 2 colors. And for how easy this was, I can't even believe how easy that was. Doing my eyeshadow look is actually, I wouldn't say double the amount of time, but it's at least like an extra, I would say extra like 5 minutes to do my eyeshadow. This was really quick. But yeah, that is my final opinion. So you guys can grab these online right now, or if you want to wait till they're in stores so you can swatch them, they'll be available on the 24th. I'm not sure when this video will go up. I'm trying to edit it really quickly so that I can get it up for you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to purchasing them, definitely let me know. Send me a little message on Instagram because I'm curious to know whether you guys like them. Yeah, I feel like I'm just rambling at this point. But I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a like, that really helps me out. If this is YouTube, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.